Talvakra Aranyak, also known as Jaiminiya Upanishad Aranyak, exploring the profound wisdom and mystical insights of the Samveda. The Talvakra or Jaiminiya Upanishad Aranyak, a captivating portion of the Samveda, offers profound insights into the intersection of spiritual knowledge and mystical experiences. This article delves into the essence of the Talvakra or Jaiminiya Upanishad Aranyak, exploring its composition, ritualistic significance, allegorical interpretations, and its enduring relevance in guiding seekers towards the hidden dimensions of consciousness and the mysteries of existence. Brief overview. Nestled within the verses of the Samveda, the Talvakra or Jaiminiya Upanishad Aranyak beckons seekers to embark on a journey of inner exploration and profound understanding. This collection of texts transcends the surface of rituals, inviting individuals to dive deep into the ocean of spiritual wisdom and contemplation. Composition and structure. The Talvakra or Jaiminiya Upanishad Aranyak is meticulously organized into chapters that delve into esoteric knowledge, spiritual insights, and the nature of existence. The terms Talvakra and Jaiminiya reference different traditions of this Aranyak, each providing a unique perspective on the hidden dimensions of consciousness. Spiritual significance. At its core, the Talvakra or Jaiminiya Upanishad Aranyak serves as a guide to exploring the realms of the self and the universe. It goes beyond the rituals, delving into the meditative and contemplative practices that lead to profound spiritual experiences. These practices are meant to guide individuals towards the realization of their innermost nature. Symbolism and allegorical interpretations. The Aranyak transcends the surface meanings of its verses, revealing symbolic and allegorical depths. Spiritual truths are embedded within the words, and the Aranyak provides keys to unlock hidden meanings. This allegorical approach invites seekers to see beyond the literal and to explore the layers of spiritual understanding. Mystical insights and self-realization. Interwoven with these practices are mystical insights and reflections on the nature of reality. The Aranyak contemplates the nature of consciousness, the interconnectedness of all beings, and the path to self-realization. These insights act as guides for seekers on their journey towards discovering their true nature. Connection to cosmic harmony. The Talvakra or Jaiminiya Upanishad Aranyak emphasizes the theme of aligning oneself with the cosmic order. By engaging in meditative practices and deep contemplation, individuals harmonize their consciousness with the universal rhythms, fostering a sense of unity with the cosmos. Enduring relevance. In the modern era, the teachings of the Talvakra or Jaiminiya Upanishad Aranyak continue to be relevant and transformative. Its emphasis on inner exploration, meditation, and self-realization offers a profound path to understanding the mysteries of existence. It invites individuals to bridge the gap between the material and the spiritual, nurturing a deep connection to both the practices and the mystical dimensions. Conclusion. The Talvakra or Jaiminiya Upanishad Aranyak stands as a testament to the profound intersection of spirituality and mysticism within the Samveda. By immersing ourselves in its verses, practices, and contemplative techniques, we embark on a journey of self-discovery. The Aranyak invites us to delve into the hidden layers of consciousness, bridging the divide between the outer and inner worlds, and ultimately guiding us towards a harmonious existence resonating with the cosmic symphony of the universe.